guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to easily remove or change your background with only using one app. The app we're going to be using today is called Bazaart. It's a totally free app. There's also a paid version where you can get unlimited professional looking designs, templates, graphics, fonts, and so much more. If you want me to show you how to remove the background or how to edit better or anything from Picsart or other editing apps, comment down below. I'm going to show you how to remove or change your background with the free version. One cool feature about Bazaart is it offers a wide variety of templates such as summer stories, Instagram posts, layouts, animated logos, nylon stories, and many more. The first thing I'm going to be doing is tapping on the red plus icon at the very bottom, and then at the bottom tap on where it says start with a photo. Go to your gallery and find the image you want to cut out. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using an image I found in my gallery. Here's a quick ad where it says 1 month of premium for just 99 cents, which will get you to all the unlimited features. Scroll to the right and tap on eraser. You're going to have to use your 2 fingers to pretty much pinch and zoom to get closer to the image and getting rid of the background or removing the background. Tapping on the eraser icon. If I either go to the right or left, it will change the actual size of the eraser. I'm going to be using that to obviously remove the background. I'm going to go through the entire image and checking for any visible parts left from the background. I'm going to speed up this part and add some music so you can follow along as I'm removing the background. The final step for this tutorial is I'm going to be choosing a background. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the X icon and then tap on the background icon. This app gives you countless of backgrounds to choose from: gradient, pastel, tropical, cities are some examples. I'm going to go for a summer/beach background. I'm going to start dragging the image to where I want it positioned at. Tap on the X icon and then tap on draw. You can choose any background you like. I will be picking a white color and writing summer in cursive. You can choose any color from the palette. I will be writing summer in cursive 2 more times in different colors, which will be yellow and blue. You can choose any color. You can add images, stickers, elements to your image to make it more creative and look nice. I will be writing summer in cursive, as I mentioned, in yellow and blue to make it a more summer vibe. Once you are done adding all your elements, details, or stickers to your image, you will be tapping on the icon on the right hand side and saving your image to your gallery. If you guys really enjoyed this video, if you want to learn more about editing on this particular app or other editing apps on your phone, please comment down below, hit the subscribe button and like. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video.